Hey guys, welcome to Fun with Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. Square root of 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of 5 minus m is equal to 2. Find m. Here's the solution. First, let's bring down the equation. Now, for this, let's follow the rule of a power. We have a to the power of x minus y is equal to a to the power of x over a to the power of y. So for this, 2 to the power of 5 minus m, we can write it as like this. So this is now square root of 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of 5 over 2 to the power of m is equal to 2. Next, square root of 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of 5 is equivalent to 32 over 2 to the power of m is equal to 2. Next is, we can let square root of 2 to the power of m be equal to t. And that square root of 2 to the power of m whole to the power of 2 is also equal to t squared. And then for this, using the rule of a power, we have a to the power of x whole to the power of y is also equal to a to the power of y whole to the power of x. So this rule means that we just interchange the power. So we can do that in this. So this is now square root of 2 squared whole to the power of m is equal to t squared. And for this, the squared and the radical can be cancelled. So we're left with 2 to the power of m is equal to t squared. So to write this is square root of 2 to the power of m. We replace that into t. So t minus 32 over 2 to the power of m, that's t squared, equals 2. Now, we are going to isolate t squared here by multiplying both sides with t squared. So t squared times t, that's t cubed. T squared times 32 over t squared, this is cancelled. We're left with minus 32 equals t squared times 2, that's 2t squared. Now let's take 2t squared to the other side. So this is now t cubed minus 2t squared minus 32 is equal to 0. Now this is a cubic equation. What we are going to do is to do the grouping and factoring. So to do the grouping and factoring, for our negative 32, let's expand this into negative 64 plus 32. So to write, that is t cubed minus 2t squared minus 64 plus 32 is equal to 0. Now, to finally group this, we are going to arrange. So to arrange, this is t cubed minus 64 minus 2t squared plus 32 is equal to 0. Now, we can have two pairs. This is the first pair and the second pair. So now, let's apply the factoring. For first pair, they don't have a common. So we don't need to factor. Just write t cubed minus 464. We can write this into 4 cubed. So just like that. Then minus this pair, we have a common, which is 2. So minus 2 times, we'll up with t squared. Now, 32 divided by negative 2, that's negative or minus 16, equals 0. Next is, for this 16, we can write it into a power form that is 4 squared. So this is now t cubed minus 4 cubed minus 2 times t squared minus 4 squared is equal to 0. Now, if you observe, this pair is an identity a cubed minus b cubed, or that is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Other one is we have t squared minus 4 squared. This is also an identity. We have a squared minus b squared, which is also equal to a plus b times a minus b. So to write this is now, we have t minus 4 times t squared plus 4t plus 16 minus 2 times t plus 4 times t minus 4 is equal to 0. Now for this, we have a common, that is t minus 4. So let's take out t minus 4 times t minus 4 times t squared plus 4t plus 16 divided by t minus 4. This is cancelled. So we're left with t squared plus 4t plus 16. And here, we can cancel t minus 4 and t minus 4. So we're left with this. Now let's multiply. Negative 2 times t, that's negative 2t. Negative 2 times positive 4, that's negative 8, equals 0. Next, we can combine like terms. So we have 4t and negative 2t. We have 16 and negative 8. So this is now t minus 4 times, bring down t squared, and then 4t minus 2t, that's plus 2t, and then 16 minus 8, that's 8. So plus 8 equals 0. Now for this, we can have two equations. First is t minus 4 is equal to 0. The other one is t squared plus 2t plus 8 is equal to 0. First equation, this is t is equal to positive 4. Next equation is, we can apply the quadratic formula. But before that, let's identify the value of a, b, and c. For a, that is 1. For b, that is 2. For c, that is 8. Now, the quadratic formula is, we use the variable t is equal to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is now t is equal to negative times b, which is 2. So negative 2. Positive negative square root of b squared, that is 2 squared, minus 4 times a, that's 1, times c, that's 8. All over 2 times a, that's 1. Then t is equal to negative 2, positive negative square root of 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Then times 8, that's negative 32. All over 2 times 1, that's 2. Now this is t is equal to negative 2, positive negative square root of 4 minus 32, that's negative 28, all over 2. Then for square root of negative 28, we can split this into 4 times 7 times negative 1. So this is t is equal to negative 2, positive negative square root of 4 times 7 times negative 1, all over Now to continue, that is t is equal to -2, positive, negative. Square root of 4 is 2. Then write square root of 7. And the square root of -1 is I, all over 2. And for this, t is equal to -2 divided by 2. That's -1. Positive, negative. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we don't need to write it. Just write square root of 7, I. And for this, we can have two values of t. That is t is equal to -1 plus square root of 7, I. Then t is equal to -1 minus square root of 7, I. Now, these two values of t, these are possibly leads to a complex solution. So we don't need to include this. Just include t is equal to 4. Now, for finding m, using the value of t, which is equal to 4, earlier, we let square root of 2 to the power of m be equal to t. So let's use this. That is square root of 2 to the power of m is equal to t. Now replace it with 4. So this is now square root of 2 to the power of m is equal to 4. And then we can write 4 into 2 squared. So this is now square root of 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 squared. For 2 squared, we can write it into 2 to the power of 4 over 2. So this is now square root of 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 2. Next is square root of 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of this 4 over 2. We can split that into 1/2 times 4. And then for this 2 to the power of 1/2, we can write it into square root of 2. Because 1/2 is equivalent to square root. So this is now square root of 2 to the power of m is equal to square root of 2 to the power of 4. Now, they have the same base, square root of 2 and square root of 2. That means we can equate the power, and that is m is equal to 4. So now we have the value for m, which is equal to 4. But before we end this, let's check if this value of m is correct. Now, to check when m is equal to 4. So the original equation, square root of 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 5 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now, square root of 2 to the power of 4, if we multiply square root of 2 by 4, the answer is square root of 16. And the square root of 16 is 4 minus 2 to the power of 5 minus 4 is 1 equals 2. Now, 4 minus 2 to the power of 1 is 2 equals 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 equals 2. If you observe, they are equal. That means the value of m, which is 4, is correct. Therefore, square root of 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of 5 minus m is equal to 2. The value of m is equal to 4. And that's all for today. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fun with Maths.